We be rising every day. Today we're making Mediterranean penne. The flavors of this dish are unreal. Lots of vegetables and lots of flavor that'll make you feel like you're right in the Mediterranean. So the ingredients will be down below, but I have one large chopped zucchini, one chopped onion, two cloves of chopped garlic, and then you're also going to need about 1 cup. I did a bit more than a cup, you guys, of the olives, pitted olives, and I'll show you where I got my olives from. And then you're also going to need about a pound of ripe tomatoes. So for me, I use those cherry tomatoes. Now these are the pitted olives I got from Costco. It's actually a product of Greece. And these olives are delicious and it has pretty good ingredients. Now, at this time, I'm also cooking wild salmon. So I read the ingredients for when I'm buying wild salmon just to make sure there's no preservatives or additives. While I'm chopping up my vegetables, I got water boiling for the gluten-free pasta. You can use whatever pasta you like, but I do like the penne and I do opt for gluten-free. I just feel that is better for my digestive health. So once the pasta's cooked, I do cook it for a little bit less than the time, and you can just set that aside in the strainer, and then you can use the same pot to cook the vegetables. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put about 1/4 cup of olive oil. You don't have to use that much olive oil if you don't want to. You can heat the olive oil on high heat, and then what we're gonna do is we're going to saute the onions, add in the garlic, let that saute for a few minutes. Then we're going to add in the zucchini, and we're going to also add in about 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. I didn't have fresh dill, but if you do, that would be amazing. It would only add extra flavor to the dish. And then we add in the olives and you mix that around. Then once the fish is cooked, then you add in the salmon, mix that around, let that saute for another minute or so. Then you want to add in your cherry tomatoes and then mix that up. This is a very easy dish, you guys. Then we add in the gluten-free pasta. And now to bring out the flavors, I've added in actually 1.5 of the fresh lemon juice. And this is really gonna bring out the flavor. And then once you mix that around, we can also add in fresh spinach just to add more nutrients to this meal here. And then let that saute for another few minutes. Okay, so now we are done. Look at this. This is beautiful and tastes amazing and is high in protein, lots of minerals with the vegetables, essential fats with the olives, and the salmon, high in omega-3s, and protein. So you can pair it with a nice salad. I find it goes well together and it brings you right to the Mediterranean. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you like it down below. And as always, be your beautiful selves. Be getting in some whole, healthy, fresh foods, some nature, and sunshine. When you do that, we'll all be rising.